Hey guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to this video of prelims fact number 2020. Again, welcome to part 4 of this video. 55th topic से start करते हैं. National Crisis Management Committee. For the effective implementation of relief measures in the wake of natural calamities, the Government of India has set up a National Crisis Management Committee. Cabinet Secretary जो है इसके chairman रहेंगे. और इसके कौन कौन से मेंबर हैं? Secretaries of all concerned ministries, department as well as organizations are the members of the committee. NCMC gives direction to the crisis management group as deemed necessary. Atal Faculty Development Programs, 46 online AICTE training and learning academic faculty development programs inaugurate किए गए हैं. Objective क्या है? To train the teachers of higher education institutions associated with the All India Council of Technical Education in thirst and emerging areas in technology. Book of World Records, London acknowledges the training of over 1 lakh people in 1000 programs under FDP as a world record. Main objective of the Atal Academy is to provide quality technical education in the country and to promote research and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging fields. IITs, then NITs, NITCU and Research Lab are organizing these Atal FDPs. 57 topic है 15th G20 summit convened by Saudi Arabia in a virtual format. The summit would culminate in adoption of the leaders' declaration with the Saudi Arabia passing on the presidency to the Italy. It was also announced that India will host the summit in 2023, a year later that was decided earlier. India was earlier stated to host the summit in 2022 with the Osaka declaration of the G20 stating that year the year we look forward to meeting again in Saudi Arabia in 2022, in Italy in 2021 and in India in 2022. Government bans 43 more apps citing threat to security. The government has blocked 43 more mobile apps, including major Chinese apps, Chinese ones such as AliExpress, Ali Cashier, Camcard, and Ding Talk, citing threat to national security, integrity, and sovereignty. Article 19 के अंदर आप इसका जिक्र देख सकते हो वहाँ पे. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issued an order under the Section 69A of the Information Technology Act blocking access to 43 mobile apps. Section 69A of the Information Technology Act impasses the central government to order that the access to the certain websites and computer resources be blocked in the interest of the defense of the country, its sovereignty, integrity, the security of the state, friendly relations, and foreign states, public order, or preventing incitement to the commission of an offense. 59 टॉपिक है साउथ एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी जो कि 2010 के अंदर स्टैब्लिश हुई. इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी है इंडिया के अंदर. इट इज़ स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय द 8 मेंबर स्टेट्स ऑफ द साउथ एशियन एसोसिएशन फॉर रीजनल कॉर्पोरेशन साग के द्वारा. Degrees and certificate awarded by the SAU are at par with the respective degrees certificates awarded by the national universities and institutions. Sir Chotu Ram, born in 1881, he was a prominent politician in British India's Punjab province. He championed the interest of oppressed communities of the Indian subcontinent. For this feat, he was knighted in 1937. He was a co-founder of the National Unionist Party. The enactment of the two agrarian laws was primarily due to his contribution. The Punjab Relief Indebtedness Act of 1934 and the Punjab Debtors Protections Act of 1936, which emancipated the peasants for the clutches of the moneylenders and restored the right of land to the tiller. Sahkar Pragya, with an aim to help primary cooperative societies play bigger roles in Atmanirbhar Bharat, the government has launched Sahkar Pragya, an innovative capacity building initiative for the farmers associated with the such entities in the country. इसके नीचे farmers in primary cooperatives in rural areas of the country would be trained under the Sahkar Pragya by the National Cooperative Development Corporation, an autonomous body under the ministry. Under the Sahkar Pragya, 45 training modules for transferring knowledge, skills and organizational capacities have been prepared. MQ-9B Sea Guardian unarmed drones. The Indian Navy has inducted 2 MQ-9B Sea Guardian unarmed drones procured from the United States on lease. The recently released Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 2020 has introduced an option for leasing military platforms. 63rd टॉपिक की अगर हम बात करें ऑसिन डेक्स, फ्रांस इज कीन ऑन ज्वाइनिंग द इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया बायलैटरल नेवल एक्सरसाइज. ऑसिन डेक्स मतलब ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया इंडेक्स is a bilateral maritime exercise between Indian Navy and the Royal Australian Navy. 64th topic है Bhutan establishes formal ties with Germany. Bhutan has announced that it had establishing diplomatic relations with Germany, increasing the restricted number of capitals that Thimphu has formal ties with 50 to 53 states and the European Union. This is the kingdom's first diplomatic foray in 7 years. 1949 से लेके when Bhutan first signed a friendship agreement with India, which kept two countries closely engaged on all foreign policy issues. Bhutan has been historically cautious about establishing ties with the countries. 65th टॉपिक की अगर हम बात करें व्हाट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे संविधान दिवस की तरह हम नवंबर 26 को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं क्योंकि इसी दिन हमने ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को अडॉप्ट किया था. जैसे कि प्रियम्बल के अंदर यहाँ पे मेंशन है 26th डे ऑफ नवंबर 1949. 66 टॉपिक है इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट एंड एनालिसिस सेंटर. The Navy's Information Management and Analysis Center will soon become a national maritime domain awareness center, with all stakeholders having their presence there. About IMAC, it is a nodal agency for maritime data fusion. It was set up after the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks approved by the Defense Acquisition Council in 2012. Became operational in 2014 and is located in Gurugram, Haryana. It is a nodal center for the National Command Control Communication and Intelligence System, with which was established to the link the operational centers and the lower echelons of the Navy and the Coast Guard spread across the country's coastline, including the island territories. 67 topic है Scotland become the first nation to make sanitary pads tampons free. Scotland पहला nation बना है. It is the first nation in the world to take a step against period poverty, which refers to the prevalent phenomena of being unable to afford products such as pads or tampons to manage menstrual bleeding. 68 topic है Sustainable Development Goal Investor Map launched by the United Nations Development Program UNDP and Invest India के द्वारा लॉन्च किया गया है इसे. The map lays down 18 investment opportunities areas in 6 critical SDG enabling sectors that can help India push the needle forward on sustainable development by mapping the overlaps and gaps between public sector priorities and private sector interests. The SDG investor map lays out pathways that can bring together private sector investment and public sector support. 69 topic है शहतूत Dam. India set to build Shahtoot Dam in Afghanistan, providing drinking water for 2 million residents of Kabul. The dam would come upon the Medan River, tributary of the Kabul River. 70th topic है Mount Ili लेवोटोलॉक. न्यूज़ के अंदर क्यों है erupted recently. लोकेशन इसकी अगर देखें ये वॉल्केनो है लोकेटेड इन द ईस्टर्न इंडोनेशियाज. erupt हुआ है अभी. द 5423 मीटर माउंटेन इज one of the three currently erupting in Indonesia along the Merapi on Java Island and Sinabung on Sumatra Island. 71st topic है Global Innovation and Technology Alliance. It is a not-for-profit section 8 of the public-private partnership company. It is promoted jointly by the Technology Development Board, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India and the Confederation of Indian Industry. क्या functions है इसके? ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो है इनकरेज करता है इंडस्ट्रियल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इन इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी सॉल्यूशंस बाय मैपिंग टेक्नोलॉजी गैप्स, undertaking expert evaluation of technologies available across the globe, facilitating technology strategic collaborative partnership appropriate for Indian economy and providing soft funding for technology development, acquisition and development. 72nd topic है Avadanam is an exciting literary performance that involves solving tricky literary puzzles, improvising poems and test a person's capability of performing such multiple tasks simultaneously. It originated as a Sanskrit literary process and is revived by poets in Telugu and Kannada in modern times. न्यूज़ के अंदर क्यों था? The Vice President Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu has observed that Avadanam as a literary feat has greatly contributed to the Telugu language's glorious tradition. 73rd topic National Monsoon Mission. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंसेज के द्वारा 2012 में इसे लॉन्च किया गया था. एम टू डेवलप द स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट डायनेमिक मानसून प्रेडिक्शन system for short, medium, and long range forecast. The successful development of the global ensemble forecast system for the short, medium range prediction at 12 kilometers was made possible due to the National Monsoon Mission. 74th topic है Puerto Rico. For the third time in 10 years, the United States territory of Puerto Rico has voted in favor of statehood. Key points क्या है इसके? Puerto Rico is a Spanish-speaking island located in the Caribbean Sea. Since its discovery by the explorer Christopher Columbus in 1493, Puerto Rico was a part of Spanish Empire for over 4 centuries until 1898 when it was annexed by the United States. 1917 के अंदर अगर हम बात करें तो प्यूर्टो रिकन्स वर granted US citizenship, but the island itself was never made a full state and continues to remain a US territory along with the Guam, North Mariana Islands, American Samoa and the US Virgin Islands. आप लोकेशन इसकी यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, इसे जूम करके यहाँ पे बताया गया है. 75th topic है Tristan da Cunha. Tristan da Cunha is inhabited by less than 300 humans. It is a small chain of islands over 6,000 miles from London in South Atlantic, and the water around the islands are considered to be the richest in the world. It is an UK overseas territory. It was recently declared the largest fully protected marine reserves in the Atlantic Ocean at 6,87,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स. यहाँ पे आप इसकी लोकेशन देख सकते हो. बाकी ट्रिस्टन डा कुना ये जो अफ्रीका से इसकी ये लोकेशन है. लेस देन 300 ह्यूमंस के आसपास इस पे रहते हैं. चेन है एक आइलैंड की और 6,000 माइल्स है फ्रॉम द लंदन इन द साउथ अटलांटिक एंड द वाटर अराउंड द आइलैंड्स आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी रिचेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. यूके की ओवरसीज एक टेरिटरी है ये, तो ये आप याद रख सकते हो. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस सेशन. इट वाज अ लास्ट पार्ट सेशन. उसके बाद अगर हम बात करें तो अभी तक हमने 4 पार्ट्स कवर कर लिए हैं. नवंबर 2020 के हमने कवर कर लिए हैं. इसके अलावा जनवरी 2021 के, देन दिसंबर 2020 के, देन फरवरी 2021 के, देन मार्च 2021 के हमने ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिए हैं. आने वाले दिनों में हम बाकी भी जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं प्रीलिम्स के फैक्ट्स ओनली, वो हम आपके लिए लेके आएंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन. हैव अ नाइस डे. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल और प्लीज़ शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स की आप जिसने भी रिवीजन नहीं की अभी तक वो जल्दी से इन करंट अफेयर्स को रिवाइज कर ले, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि 60 to 70% जो पेपर है वो करंट अफेयर्स से ही रहता है. चाहे वो डायरेक्टली हो या इनडायरेक्टली हो, करंट अफेयर्स बहुत मायने रखते हैं. इसलिए आप जल्दी से रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. आप भी कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी आप बता सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन. हैव अ नाइस डे.